we sit on a chair, invisible one. The belly is in, so draw the belly button in without surrounding, just having neutral lower back and sit deeper. Inhale and exhale. Now the knees will be bent. We're going to begin to push the hips forward as a wave to find a little bit of back bend. Arms in line with the upper body. Inhale, exhale, fold forward all the way down from the hips. Halfway up, inhale. Exhale, bend the knees, push through the hands. Step or jump plank pose. We take a moment here, check your alignment. Don't rush. Steady breath, push through the shoulders. Inhale. Now we shift the weight of the body forward and exhale, we bend the elbows to Yordanka. Slow with control. Up, dog inhale. And down, dog exhale. We hold it here. Our first down dog for today. How come the class is almost over? A class without the downward facing dog. There we go. Not this time. Right leg will go back and up as you inhale. As you exhale, you bend the knee, open the hips. Now your left heel, if you're very flexible when your left heel is on the ground, lift it up, high hips. And bring the right fingertips on the ground. So right knee up, right fingertips on the ground. And then we roll on the outer left foot. We free the right hand. Through a side plank, we step the right foot behind the left knee. We go down. And next inhalation, we go up. Wild stick. We hold it here, breathe. To come out of the posture, again, the outer left foot, side plank. Now it comes difficult part. So your right foot is going to step all the way forward to the front side of the mat in line with the left hand. Yes. Step the right foot forward. Step it close to the left hand. And you come into the twist. Inhale. Exhale, right hand comes on the mat, both hands on the inner side of the right foot. Lower down the left knee. And then the left knee. So we go for the bind. If you have your strap around, we'll help you grab the foot. Inhale. And awesome, guys. Really. And as you exhale, now it comes the new pose. We're pushing for the right foot. Right leg is straight, front leg straight. We hold the bind. Nice. And we are twisting. We bend the right knee. We come forward, release the foot. Bring the right hand on the mat. Curl the left under, lift the left knee. We go all the way to three-leg dog. Right leg goes back and up. Inhale. And exhale, step it down. And we have one more side to repeat. Left leg goes back and up, inhale, free leg dog. Exhale, scorpion dog, you bend the knee, open the hips. Now your right heel, if it's on the mat, lift it up, visible high heels. Then left fingers on the mat. Left knee up, left fingers on the mat. We roll on the outer right foot to a side plank variation. Oh, I have the wall behind me. Look how convenient. And we step the left foot behind the right knee. We go down for a moment. With inhalation now, we go up, get ready. Right shoulder blade retracted. If you can, push through the whole right foot, making it in line with the right leg. We hold it, breathe. To come out of the posture, we come on the outer right foot, side plank. Then your left foot is going to step forward in line with the right hand. Into the twist, yeah, strong girls, proud of you. It's my inhale, exhale, right knee comes down. Shall we go for the bind? Bend the right knee, left hand goes there. Nice. Inhale. Exhale, push through the left foot, extend the left leg. Still twisting. As much as you can extend, doesn't have to be all the way. Could be a little bit. If it's hurting your knee, you can just skip it. Inhale, bend the front knee. Release the bind. Bring the left hand on the inner side of the left foot. Curl the right horizontal, lift the right knee up. We go all the way to three-leg dog. Left leg up, inhale. And exhale, step it down.